It was the 9th of Muharram, the night before Ashura. The sky above Karbala was calm, but every soul in the camp knew tomorrow would change history. Imam Hussein turned to his followers and said,
"Tomorrow I will be martyred. You are free to leave under the cover of darkness. They only want me."
But none of them left. One said, "Ya Aba Abdullah, even if we are killed and brought back to life 1,000 times, we would still stand by you." It was not just loyalty, it was love, faith, and the desire to stand with truth until the end. Some wept, some prayed, some smiled through tears, knowing that tomorrow their blood would write the story of resistance for all time. He didn't sleep that night. He spent it in worship, in reflection, in farewell. He kissed his son, Ali Asghar, spoke with Lady Zainab, and prepared his soul to meet Allah. That night heaven was silent, but listening. Laylatul Ashura was not a night of fear. It was a night of faith, of courage, of eternal love for Allah. And as the moon faded, the sun of Karbala prepared to rise.